Hello everyone, what a wonderful day. Let's see what I've been up to. Well, I've been playing around with timings and I got really fed up of having to program the chip with different timings all the time. So, I created a little switch box to do it. Let's take a look. Running away quite nicely, as you can see, and here, I might add. And there's my little set of switches, 12 in total. Nice. Same sort of setup. Changed the input filter a tad. Nice little smoothing capacitor there, right in the middle of the shot, that great big yellowy orangey thing. So, running quite nicely, as you can hear it. How fast is it running, I hear you ask? Right, got the RPM to work, and, well, sort of work anyway. Need to redo the formula for it. Anyway, it's running approximately 9 and 10 rotations per second, which equates to, you got it, just under 600 RPM. Not the fastest, don't need it to be fast. However, I had the peak RPM at 15 rotations per second. But I'm not sure whether that was an error or not. Seems a little bit high to me. So, but as you can see, at the moment, I don't have the generator rotor on there. As you can see, there's a pair of magnets. That'll give you some ideas, hopefully. Current is off the scale. Oh well, work on that one. Next up for the timings will be the on voltage, the voltage at which it switches on. At the moment it's set to 0.01 volts. Here, beat that. So that may be a little bit too low. So what I'll do now is I'll take the values that I've got from my little dip switches. I'll hard code them into the software, and then I'll recode it so that I can change the input voltage or the on voltage. Right. Just to take a look, because I've sorted the filter circuit out, my multimeter now reads proper AC. So that's around about 4.4 volts AC. It's coming in. At the moment, that is what my back EMF capacitor is reading, which is about 60 volts. And unfortunately, that's rather close to my breakdown voltage on my FET that I'm using, which occasionally it does go over that voltage and the FET starts breaking down. It's not doing it at the moment, which is annoying, because it does slow down quite considerably. Noisy thing. It does start breaking down quite considerably when it reaches that voltage and it slows down. So, also the knocking that you can hear, I don't know if you can see it, and just make it out on the screen. Right, that because I slightly bent my shaft, you can see that that bearing there is wiggling up and down a little bit. So that's going to be slowing it down a touch, but I'm going to sort that out. That's just a simple bend in the rod, so I have got a spare one. what else am I going to do? Oh yes, picked up some of this stuff. Let's see if I can show you. Hard and fast Evo stick stuff. It's like putty, basically. What I'm going to do, which I'll do very shortly, is take my bearing. Here's a spare one because I've got 4. Right, and make like basically a clamshell for it, because the setup that I've got at the moment to hold the bearings I don't think is good enough, to be perfectly honest. So I'm going to make like a clamshell for it, and hopefully that'll sort out a couple of problems with the bearings. Okay, may well do a few more videos today. I've got an idea that I'm going to chuck out to the community to see if someone wants to pursue it. So anyway, have fun, talk to you later. Yeah, it does sound like an engine. Oh well, talk to you later.